Welcome to Technologist. Today we will see how to install Windows 2011 operating system. So here we will select Windows 2010 or later. So let me search over here where it is. Okay, so here we select Windows 10 and later into 64-bit operating system. Click next. Here you can select the path. Now click next. Here you can select space. Click finish. Now click on the name. We can change the name of Windows operating system, which is Windows 11. Now before I will run to the virtual machine, I will click on edit the virtual machine setting. In this edit you can select bridge network. Here you can select ISO file. Click OK. Now run the virtual machine. Click enter. Boot from CD. Now your setup will start. Click next. Click install now. Setup is starting. Here you can select Windows 11 Pro for workstations. Click next. Accept the license terms and conditions. Click next. Just click new format. The partition is created now. Click next. Now installation is started. You can select over here. After restarting, first you will see the country or a region you have to select over here. So I will select my region, which is India. Click next. Here you can select the keyboard, US English or US or English India, whichever you like. You can select over here. And the Wi-Fi we can select. We will set up Wi-Fi later. So right now I will select I don't have internet. So I will skip this setting again. The Wi-Fi setting. Here you can enter your name to create a profile name. This is for enter the password. Here you can mention 3 steps of your, if you lost the password, then you can create a question and answer to them. After applying the password, it will prompt for the 3 questions. You can see over here this 3 security question. So I will mention, like, for example, ABC. Here I will select the second question, like anything right now, XYZ. Click next. Here I select no right now. Now it will create your profile. This is your first screen will appear after profile is completed. You can see Windows 11 is your username. From here you can shut down or restart the system. Go to the personalize and go to desktop icon. You can select the desktop icon over here. Right click on this PC, as you say it's my computer. You can see over here the RAM and all the configuration. Over here you can rename the PC name. If you want to configure the system in advance, rename you have to choose, which is rename this PC advanced. You can see over there bottom. So here you can change the PC name, or you can change if you want to configure the system domain, so you can configure it over here. So this is how you can install Windows 11. Thank you.